One of the big advantages of using Strelitzia is the ability to access the data that you're inputting every day when taking orders. Here's how to run a shop sales report and the type of information that you get. So I'm going to go to reports and I'm going to select shop sales. I'm going to run this report to see my shop sales from last Christmas. So I'm going to go to the filters here, select delivery date, change the date range. So I'm going to go all the way back to December last year, select the 1st of December to the 25th of December. And then I'm going to generate. So here I can see exactly how many orders I delivered, my average sale, the delivery charge, along with exactly what products I sold. So on the left hand side we've got an overview, and on the right hand side everything is individually listed. So I can see a few planted baskets there. I've got some amaryllis, some holly posies, and some specific products here. I think they're from the website. So I can then start and use this information to start my buying lists for Christmas, set targets for December, motivate staff to reach a higher average sale, and make sure I'm charging enough for delivery. I can then generate a PDF or export to a CSV file.